a great event series. I think these are great events that are unique within our region. It's a nice melding of activities for students and community members, potential entrepreneurs, existing entrepreneurs, and existing small business owners. The part that I think is truly unique about it is it brings in local service providers in to kind of speak about specialized topics as well as what their offerings are to support those entrepreneurs, future entrepreneurs, and small business owners. Yeah.
I love interacting with students and learning more about where they are in life and what they're learning and how they're learning. These are the kind of things where you can interact with people who might be your customers, with competitors, and with support organizations who might be able to help you out. So I just think it's a wonderful format to learn and connect.
I look forward to it every year. The presenters are excellent. They're all teaching from what they know. So it's just always fascinating and always good to learn and always be around exciting people. It's just an encouragement, and it's also a lot of inspiration and a lot of knowledge, and it's just hard to get, and to have it here in Marietta is just absolutely awesome. It's just a great place to be, and it's not an environment you can find every day. So when one comes to your city, you have to participate in it.
This is a good networking event. I mean, it brings people together to find out and learn about the struggles, the challenges, the opportunities that all these entrepreneurs have in the Mid-Ohio Valley.
As a young entrepreneur myself, I think it's really cool to see a greater representation of other young entrepreneurs. This upcoming generation is going to be ruling the business world sooner rather than later, and you see that reflected in the audience at the big workshop.
It's also good to see the young people interested in business. I think that's a great thing that we want to support and encourage.
I think any networking opportunity is essential, so for sure would recommend it.
I think any entrepreneur or prospective entrepreneur should come out to these events. Number one, to network. Number two, to learn. And number three, just to take some action on your idea, your passion. It's critical that you do that.
Think about stepping outside of your little box and try something new.